What if your home could feel like a dream? There's a place that changed everything for me. A home that felt like a dream. Let me take you there. Close your eyes for a second. Feel the warmth of the sun. Hear the breeze through the arches. You step onto cool, hand-painted tiles, orange blossoms in the air. Everything feels slower here. The walls glow white. The light feels alive. This isn't just a space. It's a story you walk into. The textures, the silence, the soul. Andalusian design doesn't shout. It whispers. Mediterranean? Too coastal. Moroccan? Too bold. Spanish colonial? Too heavy. Andalusian is different. Light. Soulful. Real. So, what is Andalusian style?
At first, I thought it was Mediterranean. You know, light, coastal, relaxed. But it lacked something. It didn't stir my soul. Then I saw Moroccan design. Beautiful, vibrant, patterned, but it was loud. Andalusia is a whisper. Spanish colonial felt heavy. Rich woods, thick textures, but I wanted air and breath. Something softer. Then I found it. Andalusian style. Cool tiles, curved arches, sunlit silence. It held history and light. That's when I fell in love. It's the silence in the arches, the light on the tiles, the way it makes you feel. That's Andalusian style, rooted in history, made for feeling, and still so easy to live in. There's a stillness that arches hold, a kind of hush, like the air is listening. And then the light arrives, soft, golden, dancing across the walls, like it has something to say. You can feel it before you even know what you're looking at. The warmth, the ease, the soul. That feeling, that's Andalusian. Most people think you need to live in Spain to feel this, but magic can start from something as simple as this. Whitewashed walls, terracotta underfoot, and tiles that tell stories. This is what happens when design becomes feeling. This is how we begin every project at WOWEDESIGN. Personal, soulful, grounded in your space, your story. Start simple. Whites, creams, clay tones. That's where Andalusian light really shines. Then bring in a few Moorish tiles, a line on the wall, a splash in your kitchen. And don't forget natural textures, wrought iron, rustic wood and sunlight. A potted olive tree, a vine climbing the wall. Design meets nature. This is what we do. We translate dreams into places you can live in, even if you're 6,000 miles from Seville.
Andalusian style isn't just about design. It's about how you feel in your space. A home should stir something inside you, always. And that's why we're here, to help you design from the heart. Through our e-design service, you can start from anywhere and get guidance that feels personal. No flights, no stress, just beauty built around you.